Namaste. My name is Nikhlesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models to senior IT professionals in a very simple language. So AI agent is the hottest topic in AI world today. So what are AI agents? AI agents basically simplify complex tasks and provide personalized assistance to you, right? It can do so. If you can create multiple agents, they can handle multiple tasks, and your task or the series of work can be automated. They can also interact with other web applications, as in external web applications. For example, ChatGPT can interact with Google or Wikipedia or any other external application. So this is what AI agents can do. So in this video, we'll create a multi-agent system for researching and writing purposes. So we'll create three agents. These agents will interact with each other. One agent will plan the content, second agent will write the content, and third agent will actually edit the content. So let's get started. So first, we need to install important libraries. We'll be using CrewAI to make these agents, and we'll be using an open source LLM for this thing. In order to access an open source LLM, we'll be using Hugging Face. So in my previous videos, I have covered how to use an open source LLM through Hugging Face. Let me tell you again. So let's go to Hugging Face, right? And come to settings. And then you have to access, and then you'll get access token. You have to copy paste this access tokens in this access token in your Colab notebook. In order to use any model, you can come here to the model, and then maybe you can use you can select any text generation, and then there are so many models. In order to use any model, what you need to do, you need to go here and you need to just copy this thing and you have to paste it in the Colab notebook. I'll tell you how to do this. Okay, so as our is installing, as these libraries are installing, let me add my Hugging Face access tokens. So we installed these libraries. Let's import them, and then let's import from CrewAI. Let's import agent, task, and crew. I'll explain what exactly these three things are. So you have to add the model name here, and you have to add your API token here. Please don't use this API token because I'll be removing this API token after the video, and you can easily generate your Hugging Face API token, and it's free. So once we have this thing, let's define our model, this thing, and now it's time to create an agent. Okay, so now we'll create three agents. Let's understand this, and this is very important to write what prompts we are giving here. So the first agent is content planner. What we need to define the goal. So what its goal? Plan engaging and factually accurate content on whatever topic we'll provide, and we need to specify a backstory. So what exactly the agent is about. So you are working on planning a blog article about this topic. You collect information that helps the audience learn something and make informed decisions. Your work is the basis for the content writer to write an article on this topic. So what we are instructing that you need to do the research so that other agent can write on this. So let's design this. Let's run this. And now we have this second agent, which is the role is content writer. What is the goal? Write insightful and factually accurate opinion piece about the topic. See, the point is that sometimes it can take weeks or months to write these actual prompts. So this prompt writing is also very important. So what is the backstory? You are working on writing a new opinion piece about the topic. You base your writing on the work of the content planner, who provides an outline and relevant context about the topic. So what we are saying is that whatever content planner is planning for you, you need to write on that topic. So you can basically read what actual instructions we have given. And the third agent is our agent editor. What we are saying, the role is editor. Edit. What is the goal? Edit a given blog post to align with the writing style of the organization, right? So basically what we are saying, that now act as a quality controller as well and follow the guidelines, or follow what our organization basically what prefers. So you are an editor who receives a blog post from the content writer. Your goal is to review the blog post to ensure that it follows journalistic best practices, provides balanced viewpoints when providing opinions or assertions, and also avoids major controversial topics or opinions when possible. So now what we are saying, basically we are double checking that whether it is basically safe to publish this article on an organization's behalf. So let's do this. So you can basically specify any role, any goal, and any backstory based on your use case. Now let's create the tasks, right? So tasks are the basically, as the name suggests, tasks are the things which these agents will do. So one agent will perform one dedicated task. So what we are saying, that what are the tasks? Prioritize the latest trends, key players, and noteworthy news on the topic. Identify the target audience considering their interests and pain points. Develop a detailed content outline including an introduction, key points, and a call to action. Include SEO keywords and relevant data or sources, right? And then what is the expected output? A comprehensive content plan document with an outline, audience analysis, key SEO keywords, and resources. So basically, so I'll share this notebook with you. So you can also, similarly, we have assigned task called write. And we'll also assign a task for the agent who will edit this content. Now we'll create the crew. So what we have done, we have basically assigned that these are the three agents, tasks, these are the three tasks, and this is, we are creating a crew. So now this is what it has become, a multi-agent system. And now what we have done, we have given the topic artificial intelligence, and now here is what it is done. So now let's see how it is basically executed, right? So now this is how the agent has thought through. Just check the steps. Okay, this is how the agent has thought through. Okay, so this is how the whole system has worked. Okay, so first of all, working content planner came into the action, right? These are its goals, and then based on that it has provided the answer, right? And then writer came into the picture, right? It has its own goals and what it needs to prioritize and how it should write. And then basically we have the editor, and this is how, based on that, the agent has decided that now I can give a final answer, right? The future of AI industry. And then the editor came into the picture based on, and the task was proofread the given blog post for grammatical errors and alignment with the brand's voice. And then basically it has edited, and after that it has decided that this is what I'll give the final answer to be, and then the chain was finished, and that's how we got. So this is the answer. Now let's print that answer to see what answer they have written, right? So this is the answer they have written. So basically three agents collaborated and gave us the answer. Now we can write any topic. So let's say let me write video production, right? So now let's see what. So again, so now if you see, This is what the first content planner came into the action, right? Then writer, and then editor, and based on their task they give us this answer. Let's And this is the answer they have given. So basically we have created a multi-agent system where we have three agents. One is for planning the content, second is for writing the content, and third agent is for editing the content, right? So this is what it is. So in the next video I'll create more complex agent system where we'll handle, there will be a hierarchical order where one agent will act like a manager and other agents will act like its colleagues. So wait for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this.